Hello everyone, myself Sanskruti Hodavadekar and my friends Harshada, Gayatri and Neha are going to present a PPT on high voltage circuit breaker, subject switchgear and protection. Course outcomes: HT circuit breakers, sulfur hexafluoride, vacuum circuit breaker, oil circuit breaker. In this PPT, we will learn about high tension circuit breaker with their working and construction. Contents: Introduction to circuit breaker, origin of circuit breaker, working principle of circuit breaker, classification, high voltage circuit breaker, which are classified into oil circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, and SF6 gas circuit breaker, which will be discussed in detail. Introduction to circuit breakers. A circuit breaker is an automatically operated electric switch designed to protect an electric circuit from damage caused by excess current from an overload or short circuit. Its the basic function is to interrupt current flow after a fault is detected. Origin of circuit breaker. An early form of circuit breaker was described by Thomas Edison in 1879 patent application, although his commercial power distribution system uses fuses. Its purpose was to protect lightning circuit wiring from accidental short circuits and overloads. Working principle of circuit breaker. We should also know that circuit breaker is a type of switchgear equipment. Circuit breaker essentially consists of fixed contacts and moving contact. These contacts are in touch with each other and carry the current under normal condition when the circuit breaker is closed. Here we should know that the fixed contact and moving contact are the essential part of the circuit breaker. Second, during normal operating condition, the arms of the circuit breaker can be opened or closed for a switching and maintenance of the system. When a fault occurs on any part of the system, the trip coil gets energized and the moving contacts get apart from each other by same mechanism, and thus the circuit gets open. In this is the working of the circuit breaker. Next is the classification of circuit breakers. The circuit breaker are first classified into high tension and low tension circuit breakers. The high tension circuit breakers are classified into three types, that is the oil, SF6 and vacuum circuit breaker. Oil circuit breaker is then classified into bulk oil circuit breaker and minimum oil circuit breaker. The bulk oil circuit breaker is then classified into plain break of circuit breaker and arc control oil circuit breaker. The low tension circuit breakers are classified into four types: air circuit breaker, miniature circuit breaker, molded case circuit breaker, and earth leakage circuit breaker. As we have discussed the above classification, we know that high tension circuit breaker are classified into three types: oil circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, and SF6 circuit breaker. These circuit breakers will be
Oil circuit breaker. An oil circuit breaker is such type of circuit breaker in which oil is used as the insulating medium for arc extinction. In oil circuit breaker, the contacts of the breaker are made to separate within an insulating oil. When the fault occurs in the system, the contacts of the circuit breaker are open under the insulating oil and arc is developed between them, and the heat of the arc is evaporated in the surrounding oil. The circuit breaker is divided into two categories. First, bulk oil circuit breaker, and second, low oil circuit breaker. Following is the construction of the oil circuit breaker. And oil circuit breaker is very easy in construction. It consists of current carrying contacts enclosed in a strong, weather tight earth metal tank, and the tank is filled with transformer oil. The oil acts as both an arc extinguishing medium and as an insulator between the live part and the earth. At the top of the oil, air is filled in the tank, which acts as the cushion to control the displaced oil on the formation of gas around the arc, and also to absorb the mechanical shock of the upward movement of the oil. The breaker tank is securely bolted for carrying out the vibration caused on interrupting very high current. Oil circuit breaker consists gas outlet which is fitted in the tank cover for the removal of the gases. Working of the oil circuit breaker. During the normal operating conditions, the contact of the oil circuit breaker is enclosed and which carries the current. When the fault occurs in the system, the contacts of the breaker thus move apart and the arc is struck between the contacts. Due to this arc, a large amount of heat is liberated and a very high temperature reaches and vaporizes the surrounding oil into gas. The gas thus liberated surrounds the act and its explosive growth around it displays the oil violently. The arc is extinguished when the distance between the fixed and moving contact reaches a certain critical value, depends on the arc current and the recovery voltage. Following are the advantages of a oil circuit breaker. The oil has a high dielectric strength and it provides insulation between the contact after the arc has been extinguished. Second, the oil used in the circuit breaker provides a small clearance between the conductors and the earth components. Third, the hydrogen gas is formed in the tank which has the high diffusion rate and good cooling properties. Disadvantages of oil circuit breakers are as follows. First, the oil used in the oil circuit breaker is inflammable and hence it can cause a fire hazard. There is a risk of formation of explosive mixture with air. And third, due to the decomposition of oil in the arc, the carbon particles is generated which pollutes the oil and hence the dielectric strength of the oil decreases.
Vacuum circuit breaker. A breaker which uses vacuum as an arc extinction medium is called a vacuum circuit breaker. In this circuit breaker, the fixed and moving contact is enclosed in a permanently sealed vacuum interrupter. The arc extinct as the contacts are separated in high vacuum. It is mainly for medium voltage ranging from 11 kV to 33 kV. Construction of vacuum circuit breaker. It is very simple in construction as compared to any other circuit breaker. Their construction is mainly divided into three parts: fixed contacts, moving contacts, and arc shield, which is placed inside the arc interrupting chamber. The envelope of vacuum circuit breaker is made up of glass because the glass envelope help in the examination of the breaker from outside. After operation, if the glass becomes milky and its original finish of sealing error, then it indicates that the breaker is losing vacuum. The fixed and moving contacts of the breaker are placed inside the arc. The pressure in a vacuum interrupt at the time of sealing of is kept at about 10 raised to minus 6 torque. The moving contact of the circuit breaker are to a distance of 5 to 10 mm depending upon the operating voltage. The metallic bellows made of stainless steel is used to move the moving contact, and design of the metallic bellows is very important because the life of the vacuum circuit breaker depends on the ability of components to perform repeated operations satisfactorily. Of vacuum circuit breaker. When the fault occurs in the system, the contacts of the circuit breaker are moved apart and hence the arc is developed between them. When the current carrying contacts are pulled apart, the temperature of their connecting parts which shock due to the ion contact space is filled of positive ions which from the contact. The density of vapor depends on the current in the arcing. Due to the decreasing mode current wave, their rate of release of vapor fall and after zero. The medium regains its dielectric strength vapor density around the contacts reduce. Hence, arc does not restrike again because the metal vapor is quickly removed from the contact zone. Advantages of circuit breaker. Vacuum circuit breaker does not require any additional filling of oil or gas. They do not need periodic refilling. Rapid recovery of high dielectric strength on current interruption. Only a half cycle or less arcing occurs after proper contact separation. Breaker unit is compact and self-contained. It can be installed in any required orientation. Because of the above reasons, together with the economic advantage offered, circuit breaker has high acceptance. Disadvantages of vacuum circuit breaker. Requirements of high technology for production of vacuum interrupters. Needs additional surge suppressors for the interruption of low magnetizing currents in a certain range. Loss of vacuum due to transit or failure makes the entire interrupter useless and it cannot be repaired on site.
Sulfur hexafluoride, that is SF6 circuit breaker. A circuit breaker in which SF6 under pressure gas is used to extinguish the arc is called SF6 circuit breaker. SF6 gas has excellent dielectric, arc quenching, chemical and other physical properties which have proved its superiority over other arc quenching mediums such as oil or air. The SF6 circuit breaker is mainly divided into three types. First is non-proper piston circuit breaker. Second is single proper piston circuit breaker. And third one is double proper piston circuit breaker. The circuit breaker which use air and oil as an insulating medium, their arc extinguished force builds up was relatively slow after the moment of contact separation. In case of high voltage circuit breaker, quick arc extension properties are used which require less time for quick recovery. Voltage builds up. SF6 circuit breakers have good properties in this regards compared to oil or air circuit breakers. So in high voltage up to 760 kilovolt, SF6 circuit breaker is used. Construction of SF6 circuit breaker. SF6 circuit breaker mainly consists of two parts. Mm, First one is the interpreter unit and second is the gas system. Interpreter unit is this unit consists of moving and fixed contact comprising a set of current, carrying parts and an arcing probe. It is connected to the SF6 gas reservoir. This unit consists slide vents in the moving contact which permit the high pressure gas into the main tank. Second, gas system. The closed circuit gas system is employed in SF6 circuit breaker. The SF6 gas is costly, so it is reclaimed after each operation. This unit consists low and high pressure chamber with a low pressure alarm along with warming switches. When the pressure of gas is very low, due to which the dielectric strength of gases decreases and an arc quenching ability of the breakers is endures, then this system gives the warming alarm. Work, Working of SF6 circuit breaker is in the normal operating condition, the contact of the breakers are closed. When the fault occurs in the system, the contact are pulled apart and an arc is struck between them. The displacement of the moving contact is synchronized with the wall which enters the high pressure SF6 gas in the arc interpreting chamber at a pressure of about 60 kg per centimeter square. The SF6 gas absorbs the free electrons in the arc path and forms ions which do not act as a charge carrier. These ions increase the dielectric strength of the gas and hence the arc is extinguished. This process reduces the pressure of the SF6 gas up to 3 kg per centimeter square. Thus, it is stored in the low pressure reservoir. This low pressure gas is pulled back to the high pressure reservoir for reuse. Nowadays, puffer piston pressure is used for generating arc quenching pressure during an opening operation by means of a piston attached to the moving contact. Advantage of SF6 circuit breaker are: first, SF6 gas has excellent insulating arc extinguish and many other properties which is the greatest advantages of SF6 circuit breaker. Second, the gas is non-inflammable and chemically stable. Their decomposition products are non-explosive and hence there is no risk of fire or explosion. Third, electrical clearance is very much reduced because of the high dielectric strength of SF6 gas. Fourth, performance is not affected due to variation in atmospheric condition. Fifth, it gives noiseless operation and there is no overvoltage problem because the arc is extinguished at natural current zero. Six, there is no reduction in dielectric strength because no carbon particles are formed during the arcing. 7. It requires less maintenance and no costly compressed air system is required. 8. SF6 performs various duties like clearing short line faults, switching, opening uploaded transmission lines, and transformer reactors, etc. without any problem. This is the image of SF6 circuit breaker.
Thank you.